Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue exploring the Syncfusion Blazor Charts control. In this video, I'll show you how exporting and printing charts help users take visualizations beyond their application. Let's start with exporting. Syncfusion Blazor Charts lets you export a rendered chart with the export async method. You can save charts as images like JPEG, PNG, or SVG, generate PDFs for documents, or export the chart data to Excel or CSV formats. Just choose the export type and file name, and the chart is ready to download. Need more control over how the exported charts look? The exporting event lets you adjust things like the chart size for image and PDF outputs before the file is generated, or you can fine-tune Excel exports by accessing the workbook or worksheet. This gives you the flexibility to update text style, apply background colors to specific cells or ranges, and adjust row heights for better readability. For PDF exports, you can switch from portrait to landscape orientation to accommodate wider charts. Using the Allow Download option, you can either show the browser's download prompt or return the export as a data URL for use elsewhere in your app. If required, exports can also be generated as base 64 strings. With the print async method, you can generate a clean, print-friendly version of a chart. And if you're working with dashboards, you can print multiple charts at once by passing a parent container, making it easy to capture the full view in a single print. So far, you've seen the exporting and printing options available for the Syncfusion Blazor Charts control.